Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican sea moss. First, thoroughly clean your raw sea moss under running water, removing any ocean debris or sand. Next, place the clean sea moss in a large bowl and cover it with fresh, filtered water. Allow it to soak for a minimum of 6 hours, or ideally overnight up to 12 hours. During this time, the sea moss will absorb water, expanding considerably and transforming into a lighter, more pliable texture. After soaking, drain the water from your sea moss and give it a final rinse. Transfer the softened sea moss to a high-speed blender. For every 1 cup of soaked sea moss, add about 1.5 to 2 cups of fresh, filtered water. Blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and has transformed into a thick, uniform gel. This process usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Now it is time to customize your sea moss gel. You can gently warm the gel in a saucepan if you prefer a warm beverage. Stir in natural sweeteners such as agave nectar, maple syrup, or a few dates to achieve your desired level of sweetness. For an aromatic touch, add a pinch of ground cinnamon, nutmeg, or a splash of vanilla extract. Mix thoroughly to combine all the flavors. Once your sea moss gel is flavored to perfection, carefully pour it into clean, airtight glass jars. Store these jars in the refrigerator. When properly stored, your homemade sea moss gel will stay fresh and potent for approximately 2 to 3 weeks. You can easily incorporate it into your daily routine by adding 1 or 2 tablespoons to smoothies, juices, or even hot teas.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.